Alright guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades here looking at Bned, Stock Barnes, and Noble Education. My cat just knocked something down. But Bned, I have been paying attention. I've been paying attention, keeping a close eye on this one. We do have this one might make for a good day trade opportunity. I would not recommend swing trading it. It is volatile, and that volatility is something that day traders love. So I'm mainly a swing trader. But I think there is kind of like GME, there is a good opportunity here for some day trades. Keep an eye on $6.50. That is kind of a low point for this stock. If it holds there, there might be a good buying opportunity for some shares and just day trade it for 50 cents or more, depending on how much volatility it's going to bring when it does come back down there. Other than that, it would have to break out above $10. $10 is a big level here. If it does break $10, we could see 10.50 and above. So right now, for all intents and purposes, it's in a trading range. Again, I'm not looking to swing this one. This is kind of one of those stocks where, hey, this is pretty volatile. Let's take advantage of that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that tight range there. You want to take advantage of that volatility. Yep. So support is going to be under $7. It's gonna, yeah, okay, so all the way down here is where you want to really be paying attention. So either it's gonna come down cheap again, or it's gonna have to break out above 10 again. That's really ultimately what it comes down to. So a good day trade opportunity either way, because either you buy the dip or you play it to the upside when it breaks out, if it does break out again above 10, assuming it doesn't just gap up or down to either side. Let me see if I can pull up the let's pull up the 3-minute chart here. Give me a 3-minute, sir. Thank you. I need my MACD so I know what I'm looking at. Wait, why is my MACD not showing up? Yeah, you definitely want to buy dips on this one. Playing the breakout, probably not. Yes, that's not. How come I'm not? This is being weird. I'm not seeing my MACD. Is it because this stock is that bad? I'm not seeing any of my indicators here. Maybe I have to delete it and re-add it. I don't know why that is. Where's my MACD? There's my MACD. Okay, there's the MACD. Okay. So looking at the 3-minute time frame here, when it gets volume, the last time it came under $7 was right here, which was nothing more than a good dip buying opportunity. They actually give you that opportunity twice. 650, 650. Let me move that MACD. So for a good, this is probably the first time I've talked about a day trade opportunity. I'm also giving away my day trade strategy here. Not that I care, but it's been a while since I talked about day trading opportunities. There we go. Let's remove the RSI. We don't need that. We don't need that or that. No, not that one. There we go. Okay, so this is the smaller time frame. Yeah, you'll notice on the smaller time frame down here under $7. Probably you want to look to buy under, yeah, around 660, 650. And then if it does cross over on the MACD, then just write it up for as far as it goes, and you better have a tight stop on this one because you don't want to hold the bag on this. This is why I'm saying it's a day trade. When you have a stock this volatile, it's a good day trade opportunity, but you don't want to be a you don't want to swing trade this one because you could, especially if you don't have the discipline to take the loss and move on, because you don't want to hold the bag on this is a pretty bad stock. We've seen the financials, but as a day trade, good opportunity here. If it breaks to the upside, it can literally move pretty quickly to 17 because that's going to be our next resistance here on the charts at least. If it breaks down below 7, ideally below 6, the bottom is nowhere to be found. It could just keep going down like Mullen did. So there you go, guys. That is what I'm seeing here. I just broke it down for you. So the game plan is pretty simple. Like I said, let's switch to the. Let me just go a little more in depth here. If you want to play it safe, look for a MACD crossover on the lower time frames. I like to use the 3 minute time frame. Sometimes it depends entirely on the kind of stock we're looking at, but let's zoom in here. Let's zoom in here. Let's zoom in. Oh, there we go. Okay, and there's your 3 minute time frame. You want to buy on a MACD crossover. You want to set a stop. Let's see, where's the MACD crossover here? So it crosses over here at 779. It ran, ooh, just on one candle it can move. It can move quite a bit on one candle. How much did it pull back? Yeah, okay, so I think based on what I'm seeing here, so here it crossed over. Because ultimately, in order for a stock to go higher, what does it have to do, right? It has to break out. So I'm thinking buying on the MACD crossover. So it crosses over here. It crossed over at 730. What is it? 730. You would probably want to set a stop loss. Yeah, probably like a 20-cent stop loss. That's what I'm thinking. A trading stop loss, even better. With how volatile it is, probably a 20-cent trading stop loss. Here it crossed over 686. Ooh, you would have gotten stopped out there. Yeah, I think just buying the dip is better. I don't think the crossover MACD strategy is a good idea on this one. It's just better to wait for 650. If it touches 650, buy in and set a 20-cent stop trailing stop loss. If it does move, if it still has that same volatility, it'll move it'll move the 20 to 30 cents pretty quickly and you don't have to even worry about anything. If you take the loss, you take the loss and you move on. That's all there is. If it moves quite a bit, as I just showed you. It can move 10, 20, 30, a dollar pretty quickly. So that is my technical analysis, which I'm sure someone's going to call it garbage. But for long-term investors, you better hope they turn it around. You better hope they turn it around, and that's all I'm going to say. That's we've seen the fundamentals. They need to turn this baby around, or the stock price is just going to get destroyed. And that's it for the video. Hell, if you're playing the short side on this, you can short it. I don't short. I'm not really. I just play the long side. But yeah, there's a short opportunity down here. If it breaks down, it can just the sky's the no the yeah the sky's the limit to the upside, but to the downside, I guess the floor. Yeah, there's just a bottomless hole down here. So even to the short side, there's an opportunity if anyone wants to short it. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.